Okay, so this is MuseScore. I have just a new empty document open. And what we can do with this is I can click on note rhythms up here. And if I use any terminology that doesn't make sense, don't worry. We're going to cover all of this in this class. But we can click on one of these. Let's say we want an eighth note. And then I can click on this little button, means I want to enter notes. And then I just move the mouse on the staff where I want it. And I make notes. Let's change rhythms and go like that. Okay, so now I've made some notes, right? And I can hear it. Oops, I gotta go back here and press play. Nice, beautiful, right? So I can add notes. All you have to do is click on a rhythm and then make sure the little note selector is clicked, and you've got some notes added. I can make chords by doing the same thing, by just layering things on top of each other, like that. Oops. If I click a different rhythm over top of the same note, it changes that note. You can't do that. That's a notation. So I have to click the same kind of note, the same kind of rhythm, if I want to make a chord. So that's really all you'll need to know in terms of how this program works in order to get through just about all of this class. You can zoom in here. We can look at it a little bit differently. We can change a bunch of stuff. All of that I'll explain when we get there. I'm thinking about making a whole separate course just on how to use this MuseScore program, and I'd probably make it as a big free course that would go along with this class. And maybe I'll do that. Maybe that exists already. If it does, look around this website, see if you can find that class. Because I think it would be really useful to a lot of people that are taking this class as like an extra tool. So check that out. But in the meantime, that's really all you need to do. So you just go to musescore.org, download this program, install it, and then you should have this all set up. Now, when we're working in class, I'm going to kind of be zoomed in, something like this, and I'll be adding notes, you know, like that. And it automatically makes rests. These other squiggly lines are rests. Talk about those soon. So this is how we'll be looking at stuff throughout the class. So you can see the staff, the 5 lines, and the dots. That's primarily what we're talking about, is lines and dots in this class. That's what notated music is all about, is lines and dots. Okay, so that's MuseScore. Cool? So download it, get it. You'll be really happy that you have it. It's a great tool. I'm so excited that it's free. For if no other reason, then at any point we can always just click a note and hit play. Kind of goofy, but you get the point. We can hear what we've written. It's great. Okay, let's move on to our first big section. Off we go.